Birdie, what's up? What's up, Big Bird? What's wrong? But what's wrong? Birdie. Birdie. This is what he does because he wants us to cook for him every morning and throughout the day. And he wants you to be right next to him. Otherwise, he yells. I'm right here, but I'm not good enough. He wants mama, huh? So he's yelling at her. She's in the bathroom, trying to take care of business. He's not having it. Isn't that right, Birdie? Oh, whoa. You turned around really fast, dude. You okay? You want some snacks for now? We'll cook you something later? I take that as a yes. Do you want to come out? Maybe? Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, and the camera looked like you were a lot closer. But be nice, Birdie. Whoa, 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 dude. Be nice. Okay. Should I let him out? He has me questioning that. I don't know. Oh, no. Second one's undone. Should I let you out, dude? I mean, I unlatched the second one. Maybe I should wait until I make you some food, huh? Yeah, I think so. I think I'm just gonna close that one. And I'm just gonna... just kidding. Oh, whoa. Whoa, Birdie. It's okay. It's okay, Birdie. It's okay. You don't have to be upset, okay? It's okay. See, Mama's coming back. But I'm not letting you out right now, okay? Be nice, Birdie. Be nice, Birdie. Okay. Good boy. Good boy, Birdie.